Alright guys, welcome back. It's Tracy with a Y. So I unboxed my Temu stuff earlier today. So now we're going to stuff some planters outside with the fake flowers, and we're going to see how they do this summer. I'm really bad with flowers. I tend to kill them. And they're so expensive. So let's try this, and you know what? If we don't like it, we'll never do it again. Anyways, I've filmed about, I don't know, 4 videos today. So what I have in here is some rocks to keep it down. And then I went to Dollar General and got some styrofoam. And then I'm cutting burlap and sticking it down inside to help fill it a little bit. Let's switch this, maybe. This piece was a little bit bigger, so we'll see how this goes. So there's our 3 buckets. I have all of our Temu flowers here. And they're just a wax flower. They are pretty they kind of look cheap up close. Well, they are cheap. But from afar, I think they're beautiful. So I'm just going to group them together. I've already got them out and spread them. Zhuzhed them up a little, I say. I'll do one of each of the colors. So we got pink, yellow, we have white. That's my dogs playing. They're chasing a light. You know what? Let's do this. Let's try it this way, even though I like them together. Okay. I may need more rocks in there. Yeah, I'm probably going to add more rocks. So let's do this little one first. Okay. I got these white buckets, and this here matches too. I don't know if you can see it. I got it all at Gabe's. Okay, so we got purple and pink. We need a fern, which I'll probably put in last. Let's do an orange. And now I'm just sticking them in the styrofoam. I need some more height, so I'm probably going to have to add some more rocks for sure. So we got pink. We need a white. And then a fern in the center. Okay. And then just zhuzh him around a little bit. There's one. Okay. Let's put some rocks in here. Okay. Go like this. Okay, we'll do fern last. So let's do these. You don't want them too far down in there. Okay, now we need bright pink. We need an orange. Isn't that so cute? Okay. Try and get to stick into that, go through that. Okay. And then a fern last. We'll put him in the center and then weave him through. The good thing, my house is not too windy. Like my boss's house is a freaking wind tunnel. So everything blows away unless you Gorilla tape it down. Gorilla glue it. Alien tape it. So there's one. I think that's cute. Okay, let's do this. So I have rocks in the bottom and then styrofoam from the Dollar Tree. And then I have a piece of burlap. And it will help hide the stems a little bit. Okay, so here we go. Go here. Okay. Like so, like that. I thought I had more open than I did. Maybe I didn't. Okay, so we got a yellow and then we got to do a white. This is a bigger pot, so I may have to do an extra, either an extra fern or something. There's orange this. Orange this. I don't know if you guys have met him. He's the sweetest. Ow. Okay, he scratches. He don't mean to, he just gets scared. Oh, Dad, this. He scares me. My sweet friend Mick would always say, just like that. No, I say it too. I say it too because of her. She loved that cat. Probably almost as much as Riley. Riley loves Orange Justice. Man, he will scratch the... He doesn't mean to, but he will scratch the daylight out of you. That's the cat that our other cats beat up all the time. Poor thing. He likes being outside because he's afraid of the cats inside, but he is a hunter. I mean, he kills birds. He's killed ground moles. We have a groundhog down by the other decking, and I swear he would kill it if you'd let him. We needed an orange. I think I spent probably all together probably $100 on Temu, and that was for all these flowers. I think I had 8 of those. I'll show you when I get up. Some outdoor lights, some butterfly solar lights. I had 2 huge bags. You have to go and watch my video of me unboxing it. But honestly, it was worth every penny. Because nowadays a hanging or a potted plant is usually at least $25. If you want the great big ones, they're $50. I probably don't have $75 in fake flowers. That might last me, God only knows how long. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so what do you think? There's this one. And this one. Should I stick something in here, or would that be tacky? I'd have to have a lot of stuff. Stuffing. I don't necessarily need rocks because it's going to be hanging, but this might work pretty good. Put that there. I think I have enough to do these, I think. Let me cut a little piece of that. Where's that? There it is. Where's my scissors? Where's the scissors? Oh, on it. There. Okay, I'll cut a little piece of the burlap. Stick down in there. Okay, so we'll just go like this. I'm not gonna. Here comes Orange Justice. Orange Justice! It's the cutest! You like my flowers? I need to hurry up. It's getting dark. So, that being said, please watch my videos all the way through. Like and subscribe. Comment. The more you comment, the more it bumps me up at the top of the algorithm, if that makes sense to you. Prefer nice comments, but you know, I'll take what I can get. I'll take what I can get. I think I'm going to save these yellows for when I do my living room and honeybees. So I might just use that white one there and some of these ferns. Because that's almost full actually. Probably one fern, it'll be good. One fern on each side maybe. Maybe. We'll do one more fern. Alright guys, thank you very, very much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and all the things. Sorry if it's getting dark. I could even make bows to match these two. Okay, let me clean my mess up. Remember, clean as you go. Easier on you. And I'll walk you around and show you those one things too. Okay. Did you hear my knees crack? Well, there's Cheese. That's Cheese there. He's an orange cat too. Alright, so let's hang this like this. And then this big one I might put over here. And then these two I'm gonna put over here. something like this or like this. We're getting new flower bed stuff, so let me do this. Okay. All right. Let me show you. Okay, so here's this. There's that. That might need one more flower in it. I don't know. But here's these. I'll stand back. There's those two. I think they're really cute. And then I put this one right there. And it'll look better once I get on my new rocks. I think that's really cute. And everything. And I still have flowers left over. I might have $70, $75. There's that thing I was telling you about. I think I have 5, maybe 11 of those, maybe. And they're like a little wind balloon thing. And let me show you. There's this. Scratcherson. And there's this one. And see, with a bow, it'll look cute. And then, look at this. I'm getting new rocks, so that'll look better, I promise. There's the butterfly thing. Look at that. It's like 5 tiers. And I just stuck those flowers in there. I probably need to put some rocks to hold it down. And I put the magnet butterflies I got off Etsy. I can't even talk. Etsy. I got them off of Amazon. So there's that. Let me pull it over here. Away from that. I think it's cute. See, and it included all those flowers too. I love it. And then they are best friends, these little orange cats. They love each other. Anyways, these flowers are a little bit different, but they're cute. I have another bag of these too, in the yellow, purple, and orange. One of each. And this thing I got too off of Temu. And it changes colors. Try to make it spin. Anyways. But there's my little buckets, and I can't wait till we get our new rocks. It's going to be so cute. I might add more flowers here. I don't know. What if I just set it down? Probably not. Okay. All right, guys, I'll shut up. That's it. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.